Hi guys. Today's tutorial is for the 3D split braid. If you are new here, this is another braids channel where I upload new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to never miss a video. If you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for your support. Take some hair at the top and separate it into 3 equal sections. Now split the left section into 2 pieces with your index finger. Next, pull the middle strand in between and through the left split strands you just created. Combine the 2 split strands together to become the middle strand. Now take the right strand and split it into 2 even strands with your index finger. Next, pull the middle strand in between and through the right split strands you just created. Then combine the 2 split strands together to become the middle strand. Now split the left section into 2 pieces with your index finger and pull the middle strand in between and through the left split strands you just created. But this time pick up a new section of hair from the left side of the head and combine it with the 2 split strands together to become the middle strand. Repeat these steps until the braid reaches the nape of the neck and all of the hair is brought in. Now braid the rest of the section to the bottom in a regular split braid, splitting outer sections and pulling the middle strand in between until reaching the ends. Secure with an elastic and gently pull only the bottom ends of the braid. Hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you decide to recreate these hairstyles, hashtag another braid and tag me on Instagram so I can see your creations. I upload videos twice a week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to be in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.